Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing your math page together. It is on shape rotation. It looks like this. It is page 45 and 46. You will need your pencil, scissors, and a glue stick in order to complete this. It's not a hard page, and it should work well for you. Let's go ahead and go through the directions. This says cut out the shapes, then turn the shape, then show that turn them to show shape rotation. So you're going to look at each shape and you're going to see how they go around in a circle. They can go either way. We have a pinky purple triangle, an orange rectangle, a purple trapezoid, and a green square. So you're going to cut the whole strip out on the line. Remember, it's easier to cut it out completely and then cut each shape out, and you're going to match them. Remember, when we did our Veterans Day card, we did a poppy, and we took a circle and we repeated it over and over in a circle 5 times. This one, it looks like they've repeated around 8 times to get that full circle. So it's just taking a single object, shape, or item and repeating it in a circle. It's called shape rotation or spin symmetry. Now, you're going to take the time to do that. I don't think I have to wait. You'll have time to finish at the end. This is also another form of spin symmetry. If you are familiar with a Spirograph, which is a fun toy, supposedly, but it makes wonderful designs as you put a pen in a certain spot, and it goes around and around and around in a circle and comes out with something that looks similar to this. Now, excuse me, all of these are just letters put in a circle over and over again. And I'll show you an example of one I made. I just took a letter and I put it around kind of in a circle. I needed a little circle in the center, I guess, to make it a little more even. But can you see the letter in that? I think you can. Let me check it. I know what it is. I think you figured it out. I'm going to write the answer right at the bottom of the bottom one here. And do you see the letter S in my picture? Maybe today you're going to want to try something like this on a piece of paper, or if you have a whiteboard at home, that's a fun way to practice. So let's look at this again. It says, what letter has been spun or rotated? So you're going to just take one of these sections, maybe trace your finger around it, and see which letter is hidden inside, and then write the letter. And look at this, and you're going to take one, you're going to take your finger, maybe trace over one of these, and then, oh, that must be it. And if you have a little struggle, maybe mom or dad could help you with that. Okay, at the bottom part, it says, circle the sea creatures that show shape reflection. Draw the line of symmetry. Last week, I made a butterfly, a heart, a Christmas tree. I can't remember all the shapes I made, but we folded a piece of paper in half, and then I cut out a picture, one half of it, and when we opened it up, it was the exact same on either side, and it made the whole picture of, say, my Christmas tree. It wasn't just half a tree, it's a whole tree. I made half of a Valentine. Well, the same idea holds true with this. Where the fold was on my pictures that I cut out, that was the line of symmetry, where it was folded and I'd had the same on one side as the other. We're going to look at these sea creatures and see if they have a line of symmetry. This is a sea urchin. Can you draw a line down the middle of it and have the same thing on one side as the other? If you can, draw that line and then circle it if it's exactly the same on either side. Here's a sea scallop shell. Can you draw a line down the middle of it? And is it the same on both sides? If it is, draw a circle around it. And draw that line of symmetry. You see the starfish? Can you draw a line of symmetry dividing it into two separate pieces that would have the same exact shape on the left side as the right? If you can, draw that line of symmetry and draw a circle around it. Here's the sea turtle of some sort. Can you draw a line down the middle of this and get the same on either side? If you can, draw that line and then a circle around it. If it has the same on both sides. Here's a nautilus, many-chambered animal. Can you draw a line of symmetry down the middle of it and have the same on either side? If you can, draw the line and then circle it. Here is this sand dollar. Can you draw a line of symmetry? Meaning, can it have the same shape of, if I draw a line down the middle, is there the same on each side? If so, draw a circle. Here's a fiddler crab. Can you draw a line of symmetry down the middle of it? Is it the same on each side? If it is, put a circle around it. And here's a conch shell of some sort. Can you draw a line of symmetry? You can turn it and see, can it go this way? Could it go that way? If it's the same on both sides, then draw a circle around it after you've drawn that line of symmetry. It says circle the sea creatures that show shape reflection. Draw the line of symmetry. All right, boys and girls, I hope you did well with this. I'm pretty sure you did. I'll see you at the time we meet. Bye-bye.